Hi, I'm Greta, and welcome to Chapter 3 of this English course for beginners. Today we will be learning about the verb to be in the present tense. Let's get started. What is the verb to be? I am tall. He is smart. We are hungry. The verb to be is used to describe someone or something. We use to be in the present tense to talk about names, ages, feelings, nationalities, and jobs. To be is an irregular verb, so it changes when we use it in different tenses. Here is the verb to be in the present tense. You can say it after me. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. We is plural, so more than one person, and they is plural, more than one person. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. Great work! The verb to be can contract. This means we can take some letters away and shorten the word, which makes it easier to speak more fluently. I am becomes I'm. You are becomes you're. He is becomes he's. She is becomes she's. It is becomes it's. We are becomes we're. They are becomes they're. For I, we use am. I am Greta, or I'm Greta. I am American, or I'm American. I am afraid, or I'm afraid. For he, she, and it, we use is. He is happy. He's happy. She is tired. She's tired. It is small. It's small. For we and they, we use are. We are teachers. We're teachers. They are from Ireland. They're from Ireland. Let's look at some pictures to practice using the verb to be in the present tense. They are happy. It is hot. He is old. We are fit. You are funny. She is hungry. It is small. They are small. They are strong. I am 25. Great job! It's easy to make the negative of the verb to be in the present tense. We use the word not. I am not tall. He is not smart. We are not hungry. You can also contract the verb in the negative form. I am not becomes I amn't. This is not used very often. If it is used, it's usually used in Ireland. And in America, they might say, I ain't. But I amn't and I ain't are more colloquial expressions, so they are not used very often. You are not, you aren't. He is not, he isn't. She is not, she isn't. It is not, it isn't. We are not, we aren't. They are not, they aren't. We can also contract the negative of the verb to be in the present tense in a different way. We can say, I am not, I'm not. You are not, you're not. He is not, he's not. She is not, she's not. It is not, it's not. We are not, we're not. They are not, they're not. So there are two ways that you can contract the negative form of the verb to be. You can contract the you are part to your, or you can contract the are not part to aren't. You can say you are not, you're not, you aren't. Let's practice using the negative of the verb to be in the present tense. Can you change these positive sentences to the negative? I am from France. She is 21 years old. It is loud. We are doctors. He is slim. Fantastic work. You ask a question by changing the order of the words in the positive. He is smart. The question would be, is he smart? I am tall becomes, am I tall? We are hungry becomes, are we hungry? Using the verb to be, what questions would you write for each picture? You can write your answers in the comments below. Good work. Let's try answering some questions in the positive and the negative. Is he here? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Are they young? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Excellent work. I hope this video was helpful. You can find a free PDF with notes from today's lesson in the description below. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next chapter. Bye.